Morris, fantastic, you're getting my light fitting up.
Yeah, it's a pretty special one, Nick. What's it made of?
It's actually made of a bamboo plywood, actually. It comes in different finishes. I've gone for the white here. I think it'll look fantastic when it gets up there.
Yeah, it's going to make a pretty special pattern on the wall. We're almost finished putting it up, but yeah.
Oh, yeah, really close. Okay, so where will I turn it on and off?
Just going to connect it to the existing switch plates. You've got an existing two-way at the top and the bottom of the stairs. So obviously if you come home at night, you can turn it on, or if you're having people over, you can turn it on from upstairs as well.
And can I add a dimmer? Because it's going to add a bit of a mood to this room. Can I add a dimmer to that?
As long as we put a dimmable bulb in there, Mick, yeah, of course, we can add a dimmer to the existing switch plate.
All right, well, I can't wait for it to get up there, so I'll let you get back into it.
Sweet.
Cheers, mate.
All done, Nick. That's a pretty spectacular light fitting, mate.
It looks fantastic, mate. Yeah, absolutely. I'm really looking forward to seeing what it looks like at night and what sort of patterns that it throws. I mean, it's meant to sort of enhance the architectural details of this house. So really interested to see what that looks like.
Yeah, well, why don't you turn it on the wall there and see what we think.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's going to be great at night. I can't wait to be outside and have a look at it. Looks fantastic, mate. You've done a great job.
Yeah, thank you. Looks good.
All right, mate. I'll let you finish up.